Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I didn't mean to have my X account open when I started this live stream, but you know what? If you do not follow me on X, WW Bitcoin on X, hit the follow button. Today is looking like a bullish day. Sounds good to me. So, all right, I'm going to go live on TikTok as well. I did just make a video that I posted on X and on TikTok. I took a little bit of a deeper dive at the unemployment numbers, and what I found was a lot of government jobs were added, a lot of government jobs were added, and a lot of seasonal jobs were added. And that makes me a little skeptical. You know, a lot of people were saying, throw recession fears out the window. I'm not on board with that. I'm on board with the short-term pump, though. Next couple months that we would see some green here, higher highs formed for Bitcoin. I think we're well on our way that we're going to hit a new all-time high this month for Bitcoin. So let's be excited about that. Good morning, Chip. Hello, Mike. Anonium. Hello. I've never known how to pronounce your name, but I'll do it. All right. Bought more HEEHEE. What's up, Alan? Juna, thumbs up. Good morning, Jeff. Albert, JN, good morning. Afternoon, Grant. Good morning, ABC Juan. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Yags, hello. Sorry if I missed everybody. Rafa, MX, good morning. Noel, Louisville, Kentucky. All right. Yeah, thank you for the compliments on the hat. HEEHEE contract address. Yes, sir. Let's pin that. We are doing the raffle right now. So if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you could win $100 worth. So what do you think about Caspo? Let's take a look at Caspo. Good morning, everyone. All right, good morning, afternoon, all of that. AO's up 8.2%. I see that. Let me look at Caspo real quick. I'm live on YouTube, by the way. So YouTube, Bitcoin is up. And Caspo, oh my goodness, Caspo's at 14 cents. Wow. All right. I mean, it's holding. I'm surprised it's that low. All right, so it does seem like, yeah, today now is a good time to buy Caspa. I'm not worried about Caspa at all. So I'm surprised it's that low, though. Arbitrum's not moving. Yeah, it's been a slow mover. I haven't really talked about Arbitrum being super bullish, but it has bottomed out. It's in an uptrend. So I'm in St. Pete, Florida. This might be my last time watching her live for a while. Oh, man. Prayers to you, Jake. I do hope that it's not another Helene or not what's the other one? Katrina. Solana to 163. Where's Solana at right now? I don't know where Solana is right now. So, I mean, Caspa Jewish Connections. I don't know what that is. Solana's at 149.75. The top of the range that it's been in for quite a while now is $160. But we're bullish. So, I mean, I think it's going to break through this time. What do you think of GPU? I haven't looked at GPU in a while. I liked it very early on, and it pumped really hard, but I haven't looked at it since then. So I'm live on YouTube, everybody. I saw you did a live stream with another creator, but forgot his name. Was that a one-off thing? If you're talking about Devin Dajewski, we used to go on Spaces every week, but we're going to go live on TikTok every Friday at noon. Hello. What's going on with Tia and the upcoming token dump? Just sell your Celestia by October 30th. Not financial advice. Eagle AI is up today, 30%. I see that. Yep. Eagle AI is one of my favorites. Guys, I'm going to make another video about it. This afternoon, they got a grant from Microsoft. So good morning, Kevin. I love Eagle AI. What do you think of Eagle AI? It has proven itself to me over and over again to be legit. They got grants from Google and Microsoft. So Aptos. All right, Karen's in Tampa. Milton just turned into category 4. Oh, my goodness. Stay safe, Karen, please. All right, Aptos. Aptos is at support right now. Aptos looks really good. It broke through resistance. Aptos is I might actually, if I weren't on this live stream, I would long Aptos right now. Aptos looks really good. So shoot, should we sell near protocol? Is there supply unlock? I don't know about supply unlocks. I wouldn't worry about near though. Worry about supply unlocks for these newer cryptocurrencies a lot more than the older ones. So let's see, what were we looking up here? Aptos looks good. I forgot what else I was looking up. Hello from Bangkok. Okay. Ponky, meme coin super cycle. I'm convinced Ponky's going to be a good one. HEEHEE is going to be the best one. I can't say that legally, so never mind. HEEHEE. I will say I am buying more HEEHEE than any other cryptocurrency. I couldn't figure out how to mirror my video on TikTok. This says HEEHEE. If you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you can win $100 worth between now and 2:30 Eastern time. You have about 4 hours. All right, so LCX, it's hanging around. Looks like it's forming a bull flag. Luna Classic, I'm not paying attention to Luna Classic. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Bitcoin, $64,000. Let me check out Reef and Pendle. I'll check out Reef. I'll check out Pendle. If you definitely want your question answered, head on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I cannot keep up with all these comments on TikTok. I've never been able to really. Reef, wow. I mean, I don't know what to say about Reef. It's well beyond its 2024 high. That's super bullish, but there's probably going to be some resistance here somewhere. And Reef put in a lower low than its 2023 low. That's pretty crazy. So I wouldn't be surprised looking at Reef if there was resistance at 1.618 retrace, which is not much higher. It's 0.0082 cents. So I just don't know. I mean, things like this are going to happen where these random cryptocurrencies are exploding. So what do you think about the market today? I'm bullish. I'm very bullish after that unemployment report. But watch my most recent TikTok, okay? Coffee, just bought more HEEHEE. Awesome. Yeah, I did talk about the upcoming TIA token dump. Sell on October 30th. And if you have your Celestia staking, it's a 21-day unlock. So you have like 2 days to unlock it. I would do that right away. All right, Pendle. Let me look at Pendle. Guys, I don't see a reason to be bearish right now. Bitcoin is on its way to putting in another higher high after that first higher high from late September. So all those people mocking the Uptober people, I am an Uptober person. I believe Bitcoin will hit a new all-time high this month. Okay? Hello, Anthony. Well, you found me. So this month, I believe Bitcoin's going to hit a new all-time high. And so last week, what I said Bitcoin was going to go under $60,000, and I thought it would go as low as sub $60,000. That's exactly what happened. I pled with you guys to buy that dip last week because now is the time to buy the dip. Not from April to June, but now's the time to buy the dips until we see a lower low in the charts or maybe a higher low, but I would wait for a higher low and then a lower low. Now's the time to buy last week was the time to buy the dips. Uptober is a real thing, okay? It's not just a crypto thing, it's a stock thing as well. So, will Bitcoin dominance also drop this month? No. Bitcoin dominance, in my opinion, is going to put in one more peak. And that's going to be a move up in Bitcoin. If it's a new all-time high, should we sell or hold even into November? That's a good question. Remember, all right, so here's what I think is going to happen. Okay, we have Bitcoin hitting a new all-time high this month. Just my opinion, maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But at some point that will roll over into altcoins, and then I think Bitcoin's dominance is going to take the elevator down, but that's going to happen over 7 weeks. So I'm not really interested in selling all that much this month. Maybe I'll sell my Bitcoin miner stocks, but that's about it. So Pendle looks good. Pendle formed a higher low. It looks like it's on its way to a higher high. You know, a beautiful thing about a lot of these cryptos is that stochastic has reset on the daily. Pepe, super bullish on Pepe. Okay, I mean, there's very few things I'm a bear on right now. So Pendle, I would expect Pendle to go to the $5 area sometime soon. So let's see. Okay. Remember, HEEHEE giveaway. Bitcoin went over 64K. Yeah, all right. I'm going to plow through some of these comments on YouTube. Head on over to YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Render's looking good. I'm sure it is. I can't look at the chart right now. Aerodrome, it formed the higher low. You know, I thought it was going to go a little bit lower, but it didn't because Aerodrome's looking strong. So right now it's on its way to a higher high. It's up. API 3 is not dead, no. So what else? Thought of Trump. I'm not buying any Politify meme coins. It's passed. Alex, are you posting the HEEHEE winner on your X account? Yes. Yeah. What do you think of FET and Render? AI coins are looking a lot stronger. No comment on audio yet. Nope. I mean, I'm trying, man. You know, Max, you know the name of the game right now, okay? Are you talking? I'm assuming you're talking about audio, the crypto. I'm trying as hard as I can. So please don't be asking questions like that. No comment on this yet, bro. I'm trying to plow through here, man. And you know you can go to YouTube and I'll definitely get to your comment there. But man, I've never owned any audio. I just don't know much about it. I can look at the chart here in a minute. So yeah, Fetch looks good too. Form the higher low, and it's going to go higher. That's basically every crypto that you're asking about. Yeah, no worries, Max. Every crypto that you're asking about, last week it formed a higher low. You know, I made a video on my TikTok account saying that I'm not going to be a bear until we see a lower low. But last week was the time for the higher low to form on all these cryptos, and they formed on all of them. So Fetch looks good. Render, I'm sure, looks good. ETH over 2,500, cool, you know? Let's see. Guys, if you don't know anything about trading, anything about charting, here's the number one most basic thing you need to know. When we are in an uptrend, what you look for is a series of higher highs and higher lows. AOs, same deal as Fetch and Render, okay? Higher highs and higher lows. That's all we're looking for. And when that structure breaks, that's when we start being a little bit more conservative. But only then. Until then, we buy the dips and we DCA. So, I mean, not as much DCA. We buy the dips. But right now, we are buying the dips. So, thank you, J-Ho, for the comments on my hat. Thoughts on Turbo? It's a meme coin, man. I'm bullish on Turbo. I'm bullish on meme coins. So, thank you for user 158. On the daily charts. Yeah, on the daily. Yeah. Good morning, Rafael. Thoughts on Arc Block? Let me look at Arc Block. And then, let's see, Arweave. I'll look at Arc Block and then Arweave. Arc Block is just chopping. Now, I do expect Arc Block. Arc Block's one of, you know, I have a decent amount, a fair amount of Arc Block. I think it's going to do just fine. It broke through its downtrend, bounced off a 236 retrace. Arc Block's going to be fine, but it's fine to buy right now. I expect it to have an explosive move soon. Arweave, $20. Arweave doesn't look so great. You know, it hasn't broken through its downtrend yet. Maybe that's one I'd avoid for right now until we see something sold all my Solana for PopCat. PopCat's on a tear. I mean, it's over $1 billion right now. Is it a smart move? I don't know. I mean, it's going to probably outperform Solana. So let's see, LCX or Eagle AI. I mean, you can't compare the two. LCX has like a 15x market cap of Eagle AI. But, I mean, you know, right now, maybe LCX, but Eagle AI is going to have its time. I mean, it already exploded. That's the thing. I think it needs a little bit more consolidation. But there's going to be a time that you're going to want to get into Eagle AI for sure. Chili's, I don't have much love for Chili's in some regards. It's just a meme coin generator. But, you know, I've looked at the chart. I looked at the chart a couple weeks ago. It looks really good. DGen looks fine. Big breakthrough. Now it's sideways. I can't really give any commentary on this. It's really new. So, October has arrived. Yeah. Ton looks good. What do you think? Let me look at Ton. Good morning, for fun. Guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I'm already feeling kind of overwhelmed. I can't keep up with these comments, but I'm even struggling on YouTube, but you have a much better chance. Ton is still just in a downtrend. I'd hold off on Ton just a little bit. I think it's going to be fine, especially like the Ton meme coin ecosystem. So do you realistically think Kamala or Trump will win? I think they're trying, you know, I lean towards Kamala, but listen, I was wrong about Hillary. I thought Hillary was going to win. So what about ICP? And I'm not voting for Kamala, that's for sure. So ICP formed a higher low. Now there's a lot of resistance ahead for ICP, but I think it's going to break through. I wouldn't be surprised if ICP over the next couple of weeks got to $11 or so. So how to find you on YouTube? World War Bitcoin. Do you think the market will dump after the election? No, I don't. No matter who wins, I think it'll be a good pop if Trump wins, but I'm not one of those people who thinks it's the end of the world if Kamala wins from a stock market perspective. How about WIF and other Sol cryptos? Very bullish, man. You know, I mean, I think Solana will hit a new all-time high in 2024, and a lot of those Solana cryptos will do well. Best place to buy HEEHEE. Buy it on, you need a Solana-based wallet, okay? And you need to connect to Jupiter or to Radium, or you could get it on Coinbase wallet, but you'll need to exchange Solana for it. So what's up, Andres? Thoughts on Metis? I don't have Metis on here. Let me look up Metis real quick. Any rough prediction but for Eagle AI by the end of the year? I would think 5x at least. So we'll see. All right, Metis. I mean, it's just such a small market cap. It's hard to really predict that. Metis is just in a sideways chop. There's other options that I think are better than Metis. Can Rose reach $1? Thoughts on Turbo? Yeah, please stop spamming. I think Polygon will get to $1 this year. Yes, I do. Where was I going now? I don't know. Is Atom a good long-term buy? No. No, I would not touch Atom at all. Do not. I think Eagle AI is a safe play. They've gotten grants from Microsoft and Google. Okay, so Microsoft and Google think it's a safe play. I have no problem saying that I think it's a safe play. So I might have missed something. I'm sorry, man. If I missed any of your comments on YouTube, it's because people are spamming too much. Wormhole is working with BlackRock, and now the chart looks good. Really? What X on your money do you suggest taking profits? I don't really. I know I should be more organized with that, but I'm just not. I take profits when I take profits. So yeah, there's other people you can ask that who would give you better answers. SPX 6900, that guy who gave that talk at yeah, Wormhole looks good. I mean, it's in an uptrend. The guy, Murad something, who gave that talk at Dubai, he said that's one of his top 3 cryptos. That's all that I can give you info on SPX. Top 3 meme coins. Yeah, Wormhole chart looks good. Do you think Pendle could get to $10 this year? Yeah, I do. How are Mint Layer and Miria looking? Mint Layer has been sideways. Let me look at Mint Layer if it's on here. Yeah, it's just been chopping. It'll break through again. Volume is still looking really good with Mint Layer. Miria will have it. I mean, it's formed the higher low. Actually, Miria is at a good buying point right now. I think it's going to move on to a higher high, you know, somewhere around half a cent. HEEHEE on the move again. Yeah, I saw that 6K buy this morning. Reminder, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you can win $100. All right, it's all, TikTok audio is off. Guys, do you hear a buzzing on TikTok? Because I tried something different with my microphone. I might just have to unplug it. So Mew is looking good. Yeah, there's this guy, Andrew Kang, who I follow on X. He doesn't post much. But cat memes, all right. Thank you, guys. I'll just unplug my microphone. Cat memes, I'm hearing that there may be another run in cat memes. All right, I unplugged my microphone. I don't know what's up. I tried restarting my phone. I noticed that there aren't as many people in here. It's not too late to buy Aerodrome. So, all right, but the audio is much better on YouTube because I have this microphone in. So DGI, please. All right, could you check Alephium? SNSY. Oh my goodness, no rush at all. Thank you. Yeah, Wormhole. Yep. All right, SNSY. I have no idea what SNSY is. Sound is fine now. Yeah, because I unplugged my microphone. Sensei. It's in an uptrend now. I got nothing else for you. I'm sorry. Live on YouTube, Grok. I haven't looked at a Grok chart in a while. Sorry. I just don't know. I got a question about Algorand still looks like trash. Not the crypto, but I mean not the blockchain, but the crypto price. So Alephium's still chopping. You know, it had a significant breakthrough. It's downtrend. Now it's consolidating. When do you think it's too late to buy alts? we're still far off from it being too late to buy alts. Okay. When Bitcoin's dominance, when you see Bitcoin's dominance plummet, that's when it's too late. We are still in a Bitcoin dominance uptrend. So, all right, DGI. I haven't looked at DGI chart in a while. I don't know what we have on TradingView here. I got a BitGet chart. Man, I mean, I'm still not. Would I hold on to DGI? It looks like it's bottomed out, sure. But I don't know how much this is going to recover, honestly. Oh, man. You know, maybe hold it. Don't hold it expecting a new all-time high with DGI. So still an RBT. I still have some RBT, yep. Ondo has a 1.94 billion token unlock on January 18th, 2025. Listen, I'm gonna be out pretty heavily on January 18th of 2025. So yeah, he has a Discord. But I mean, what's their circulating supply right now? Drip Bitcoin dropped down. What do you mean by that? How many? I don't know. I definitely don't understand what question you were asking. I'll get to quant eventually. I'm live on YouTube. You know, I'm trying to plow through these YouTube comments. It's a lot easier on YouTube. But let's see. What am I looking for? Ondo's circulating supply. So 1.49 billion token unlock. Oh wow. Okay. Oh, 1.94. That's a doubling of its supply. I already answered. I'm still in RBT. Yes. I would be out of Ondo by January 18th. Yeah, that's actually, it launched on January 18th. I'm remembering that now. Already looked at Caspa. It's at a buying point right now. I would be out of Ondo by January 18th for sure. Is Caspa ever going to have a breakout? Yes. Do not be worried about Caspa. It's I know it's been frustrating since like November of last year, but it's held up a lot better than a lot of other cryptos. So it'll break out. Do you think Aptos is the biggest competitor to Solana? I don't know. I don't know what people use Aptos for, so I don't really have much of an answer for that. Sui might be a big competitor for Solana. So HBAR, again, I'm not a huge fan of HBAR. All right. Might be grounding. Maybe try a Furman power conditioner. Are you speaking English? I'll look into that, I suppose. Furman power conditioner. I just don't know. Yeah, HBAR still looks terrible. So let's see. Mew will hit 1 billion. Yeah, I think so. Oh, when it gets listed on Kraken? Okay. Good morning, Randy. Are there different levels still at 10 million for HEEHEE? Yes, Jason. I am not in charge of that, or I'm not the enforcer of that. Thank you, Scented Pleasures. Why don't you have an exact exit? Why do you have an exact exit date for Ondo? Somebody just pointed out they have a 1.94 billion token unlock on January 18th. Okay, their current circulating supply is less than that. Their supply will increase by about 60%. I'm talking about KASPA, not Casper the Friendly Ghost. All right, Wave thoughts. I don't know much about Wave. Let's look at the chart. Check Sui coins. I got that same hat. Nice. Resistance level for Bitcoin. I don't have one, or I don't know. It should put in a higher high. So I think actually it would be somewhere around $68,000. Waves looks terrible. I would not touch this, not yet at least. So he's pumping like crazy. Yeah, I'm glad that we stuck through it. It's been doing great these last few weeks here. So Jasmy just still in the middle of a range. The Jasmy chart actually looks a lot like Caspa's. This thing's going to explode at some point. Cryptober. All right. Good morning, Omar. What about Phantom? Phantom, I'd be buying some Phantom. It just blew through crazy resistance and formed a strong lower high here. And it's back above that resistance. Now there's very little resistance for Phantom between now and $1.04. Is Link a keeper? No. What did you say about Casper? Casper will break out eventually. Link will get you like a nice 50% gain. Maybe double your money with Link. There's so many better options. So Curve just hanging around. It did break through its downtrend, and now it's just kind of hanging around. It's flat. Yeah, Tau strong. STX, IMX, both of those were strong buys. I'll look at STX. IMX is just, I know that I don't even need to look at the chart. IMX is still looking really strong. STX is forming a series of higher highs and higher lows. It looks good. It's probably going to break through to like the the lower twos. Max. Oh man. Sorry, I'm not upset, Max. I literally like 30 seconds ago just talked about Curve. It broke through. It's just chopping right now. It'll break through eventually. And I answered your question on YouTube. So that's you, Max. And so in between, when you hop between YouTube and TikTok, I answered your question. All right, Axelar. HEEHEE. If you buy 0.2 Solana, reminder everybody, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you could win $100 worth. Well, Max, I can answer all your questions during the members only, subscriber only part later today. Yeah, Axelar, I'd be buying some Axelar right now. It's probably going to get some resistance. What moving average? That's a 200-day. The 200-day moving average is at like 87 cents for Axelar right now. It's probably, and it's going down because of how low altcoins got over the last few months. So maybe around like 82 or 83 cents, I'd be taking some profits on Axelar. All right, you guys are begging me, or one of you at least is begging me to look at Assemble Protocol. So, Assemble Protocol. I see Assemble AI. All right, Assemble Protocol. Come on. ASM, there we go. It's choppy. It's just really flat. It looks like it bottomed out like most other cryptos on August 5th. Now, last few days, I will admit, last few days have looked really bullish. So, it is in an uptrend. October time. Yeah, there's a HEEHEE giveaway going on. Yes. Price prediction for Arrow, $5, maybe $10. Thoughts on Brett? $5 billion market cap, maybe $10 billion market cap. So Dia, all right, you're spamming. No, don't touch Aurora. Aurora's way too highly inflationary. I gave like a $2 price prediction for Aurora, but that's like under scenario where we would have like full blown alt season. So Dia, I did already look at this chart. Yeah, I'd put in a 2024 high. Looking good, but it's up multiple X's over the last 3 weeks, or last couple months, I should say. This could chop around for a while. I'd be careful with Dia. It's one of those things where it's like this could chop around for a while, or it could just explode like Tau today. Tau is exploding like crazy. Mavia. Pendle, already looked at Pendle. Looks good. Will Jasmine be back to $4? No. Not even close. You got to look up their tokenomics, man. Mavia. All right, I'll look at Sigma. You've spammed that enough. I'll look at Sigma. Already looked at Degen, not blown away by it. So give me a second. Mavia, no. Don't touch Mavia yet. Maybe at some point, but not right now. Man, you guys are really begging me on TikTok. I can only do so much. So, oh man, Sigma, I can't, what do you want me to say? Looking at the chart, it's brand new. I'm guessing at least. So I don't have anything for you, man. Not on Sigma. Anything that pumps like that, it's like, it's probably going to dump and then consolidate for a bit. And then, XYO, thank you for the compliments on my hat. All right, XYO, yeah, XYO looks good, uptrend. All right, so should you buy XYO right now? Actually, I wouldn't, yes. All right, GRT, guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. Head on over to YouTube. I am actually able to keep up, even though I'm a couple minutes behind. Those of you begging me to look at your cryptos on TikTok, it's like, There's so many of you, it's really difficult. I mean, all right, the graph is in a slow uptrend. Probably, I think its next move, same deal, 200-day simple moving average. So maybe around 22 cents, I'd be taking some profits on a long at least. Link to 2026 or $26 end of 2024. I could see that. Yeah. All right. Thoughts on ADA? Did you ever think he was going to fail? Yeah. You know, I mean, there were some times it just felt like it was a losing battle because it's like I couldn't control everything. I couldn't control people selling. I mean, nobody can. I didn't do what they did with Brett, you know, where it was like 90% of the supply. They held it, which caused the Brett price to pump to billions of dollars. I had 23% of the supply and I burned all of it. And I had no control over what other people did. And so, but now, you know, now that it's bottomed out, I never stopped buying HEEHEE. And now it's like it's paying off big time. So Cardano, you know, last week was a great time to buy Cardano. Thank you, Scott. Have you sold your Bitcoin? No. Now is a great time to buy Cardano. Last week was a better time to buy Cardano, but it's moving up. So it's probably, again, same deal. Rejection at the 200-day simple moving average. That's around 41.5 cents. So let's see. Curious if you can look at Cetus. It's on Sui's ecosystem. I'll look at the chart. What's up with Cat? Is Katamoto doing well? I have some of that. So what do you think Jasby will hit? Like 11 cents, 11.5 cents. All right. Cetus looks very bullish. Yeah, I can tell. I drew some charts here. Now, will it break through this 786 retrace? That's heavy resistance. I'm not doing Kata. It's a newish meme coin. Will it break through? That's the question. I could see it chopping around here for a while, but it looks good. Cody. Pepe, 20, 30 billion maybe for Pepe market cap. If we see full-blown euphoria, my target would be $45 billion. Cody's at a very good buying point right now. I'd be buying some Cody. So all AI coins taking off. They're doing well. Let's see. Holding 5K Link. I'll take that double and run. Sure. Yeah. All right. Any thoughts on Constellation DAG? I looked at DAG last week and I gave it a strong buy rating. And it's still right around where it was. I mean, the volume's picked up dramatically. I think this thing's going to burst pretty hard. Is your price prediction the same for CAS? Yeah, $1.07. Guys, reminder, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE between now and 2:30 p.m. Eastern time, you will automatically be entered into a raffle to where you can win $100 worth. So, morning, Alex. Besides HEEHEE, would you buy some based memes? Yeah. So, like Brett, for sure. I'm still in Shubaduki. We'll see what Joshua Jake does. B-Shib, don't know anything about that. So, Ondo and Arrow. Remember, all right, somebody asked me a question about the Ondo unlock coming in January. Massive unlock. Their supply is going to more than double. I'd be out by January. What am I looking up? Emerald. Moonwell didn't look too good the last time I looked at the chart. All right. I'm sorry. I'm not going to look at Emerald right now. It's not on TradingView. Yeah, ICP. I think it'll go well. Maybe. Yeah, you're welcome. Can Dual get back to all-time high? Yes, I think so. Alex is swapping my other Solana meme to HEEHEE. Get me in the raffle. Yes, it will. What do you think about Aptos right now? I already looked at Aptos. The chart looks really bullish. Trias, you think Celestial will drop after token unlock? Yes, I do. All right, Trias, however you pronounce it. I've never known. Yikes. This chart looks terrible. Wow. What is up with this? I'm looking at Trias or Trias. I don't know. It's one of the few that did not bottom out on August 5th. It put in a new low recently. I don't know what's up, but I would stay away from this. Arrow price prediction of $5. How about that? Ondo price prediction, $3.71. And I know you want higher predictions. Everyone else is giving you higher predictions. Okay. Are you still bullish with Noble Blocks? Yes, I am. Shido is on fire. Okay. Shido. Can you check Hoppy? It's a meme coin. Come on. It's going to do what most meme coins are going to do. We're going to have a meme coin super cycle. So Shido looks very strong. This chart, it chopped for a bit, scared some people out last week. Looks very strong, probably putting in a new high. Why do I never have a live chat box on my YouTube? I am subscribed to you. I have no idea. I'm sorry. I don't know. Have you adjusted your price prediction sheet on YouTube? In a sense, yes, I have. So, I think 2025 is going to be a rough year. Watch my pinned video where I talk about exit strategies. But then after the money printers turned on and rates bottom out, I'm very bullish. And I think a lot of those price targets are too low, especially in my Bitcoin price target. So Bitcoin price target in 2025, I don't think it's going higher than its 2024 peak in 2025. After 2025, I believe it's going to be the buying opportunity of this decade. So that's probably why if you're hearing these really low price targets from me, that would be why. Are you investing in the Bitcoin miners with calls or anything else? Yes. I'm doing a wheel strategy on Riot blockchain. So I'm selling covered calls right now. If that gets priced out, I will sell puts and hopefully get those shares back. Jasmine 50 cent. You think my target's like 11.5 cents, man. Tress moving to TEP 20 and got my coin stuck. Oh, hey, what's up, Council of 5? Yeah, Aptos, dude. All right, you're done for this live stream. It's Zeki. Do not spam your comments on YouTube. I'm just going down through. You're making my life more difficult by spamming your comments on YouTube. So you are in a timeout. All right, Echelon Prime. I've given up on Casper. Don't touch Casper. Echelon Prime I remember looking last week thinking the chart looked really bullish. Let me see it now. Oh, yeah, I'd be buying Prime right now. I think it's ready for its next leg up. Man, what is going on? All of a sudden, we've seen a lot of sells with HEEHEE. I mean, it's still at a great price today, but guys, remember, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you could win $100 worth. So it's been a really bullish day today. I just noticed it went from like half a cent down to 0.47 cents. So don't worry about it. FET, no, $10, not the same price prediction. It's possible. Where do I think Gala can be this year? Like 10 cents, something like that. Super inflationary. Love getting Bitcoin rewards on Coinbase Visa card. Okay, cool. I tried that with, what's it called? All right. Oh, no, I'm going to keep my hat on. It's making my hair messed up. I tried that with BlockFi, and I got my rewards, and then, I lost my rewards because BlockFi went under. But Coinbase is good. What price FET now? I don't have one. What do you think total market cap will get to by end of 2024? Like $4 trillion? Aerodrome, Steven, I've talked about Aerodrome a ton. It just looks bullish right now. So are you selling before or after election day? I'll probably take some off the table on election day. So SPX 6900, it's up 200% today. I don't know anything about it aside from that guy who presented in what's it called, the Token 2049 conference. He said it's one of his top 3. Do you think ICP will go to $40 this run? Not in 2024, 2025. This scenario that I'm talking about where rates bottom out, money prints turned on in 2025, maybe 2026. After that, skyrocket. Market cap prediction for Noble, I don't know. Much higher than where it is right now. Thank you, Spartacus. Really appreciate it. Thoughts on Sturdy? What is Sturdy? Am I going to be able to find Sturdy on TradingView? Never heard of it. No, I'm going to have to pass on that one. Sorry. Price prediction on Landwolf on Solana. Back over 100 million, back over 100 million, maybe even to $1 billion. Starknet, don't know enough. Starknet, and that's pretty new, right? So let's see. Yeah, I can't really give any analysis for this. So HEEHEE, great community, yeah. All right. Trias is going through their network migration. It's low market cap. Don't see it coming back soon, unfortunately. All right, yeah. DOT 2024. I'm not super bullish on Polkadot. Solnick, nothing but love for Solnick. I think it's going to at least 20x from where it is right now. I think a lot of meme coins under a $10 million market cap are going to 20x. Polkadot's still in a downtrend. Why is Bitcoin price not rising? What? Bitcoin on Friday or on Friday or Thursday was at $59,000. I mean, my goodness, what do you want? You want your Lambo like yesterday? You want it as soon as possible? You got to be patient with this. It's been rising since the unemployment report came out. Thank you. Any idea why Caspa isn't pumping? It's one of the ones that held up really well. Caspa and Jasmy, they held up really well. A lot of altcoins are trying to catch up. So DOT in 2024, I mean, maybe $7. Do you think Bitcoin will break 80K this month, or do you think 80K will be the peak of this crypto cycle? Not for this cycle. For 2024 and 2025, I think $80,000 will be the peak. Now, I'm open to a couple different scenarios here. Don't touch Trias. That's what I said. I'm open to a couple different scenarios with Bitcoin here. So $80,000, that's 5.3 theory. I think that enough people believe in that's going to cause Bitcoin to stall out around $80,000. But 5.3 theory does not factor in the spot Bitcoin ETFs. So maybe we would go to $100,000. Yeah, I really like Jasmy. Yeah. Or maybe we would go even a little bit higher than $100,000. But I'm sticking with 2024 being the peak and 2025 being a rough year. Now, maybe we could run into early 2025. I think meme coins will run into early 2025. So, all right, man, I'm losing ground on YouTube here. Let's see. Could you check Say? Top 3 or 5 altcoins: Eagle AI, AOS, Sure, Fetch, Tau, and maybe Chlor. So I gave you 5 there. Checking Say here. All right, Say. I mean, I remember the chart bottomed out last week. It looks like it's breaking through its 200-day simple moving average. Very bullish on Say. Lots of room to move up. IMX or Velodrome? Velodrome is probably a smaller. I mean, IMX is a very large market cap. Let's see. I need to catch up here. That's hilarious, putting on someone off for a timeout. Don't let the trolls get to you today. I mean, he wasn't a troll. He was just spamming. Why someone sell 1.6K? It always happens. So I think Velodrome's probably going to put in better returns, but IMX is a good one. Yeah, nice pump today. Let's see if it holds. So is Superverse a good buy? Yes. Superverse chart looks bullish. Now it is probably going to stall out of the 702 retrace here. So, all right, Rose is fine to buy right now. As far as targets, how about 40 cents? All right, just bought HEEHEE. Reminder, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where it could win $100. You could win $100. I'm shorting Scam Coin. It's sure to go to zero. What are you talking about? Is there any reports, figures coming out soon that could affect the market? Always. We have, I'm assuming we have CPI this week, and I'm also assuming that CPI is going to be fine. So don't be suspicious. All right. How to find the HEEHEE that? Where do that? If you're talking about HEEHEE, go to heehee.community, HEEHEE.community, and you will be able to find the contract address there. All right, thoughts about Quant. Let me get to Quant. Last time I checked Quant's chart, I was a little concerned. No, it's fine. I would say that this is a higher low still. So Quant's at a decent buying point right now. Yeah, investing requires patience. Lots of lots of alts trying to break through 236 from swing high to swing low, and trying to break through the 200-day simple moving average. So Henrik Zekberg with pretty much the same scenario as you, but thinks Bitcoin top around 110 to 120. That would be great. I hope he's right. I could see that happening. I don't know who that is, but I could see that happening. The moral of the story, take profits. Don't think we're going up only. Yeah, it's 64K, good progress. All right, so we saw a pump when the stock market opened, and then, got up to 64.5, and now it's moving a little bit down. Where's Bitcoin right now? It's hanging around 64. So good day today, good last few days. I think we're on our way to a higher high. Maybe 68, 69, something like that. I think Bitcoin hits 95K this year. That sounds great. Let's do it. Your top 5 alt doesn't have Pendle. What happened to real Alex? Somebody asked me about my top 5 AI cryptos, and Pendle is not an AI crypto. Alex, how would you exit a coin that you don't want to tank? Like if you're a whale in that coin, you exit slowly. There's a cryptocurrency right now that I hold a lot of, and it's a pretty small market cap coin. I sell 1/100th of it every day. Every morning I wake up, I sell 1/100th of my bag of that. Do you think ETH will break all-time high in 2024, 2025? Yeah, a couple thousand at a time. My bag that I'm selling is like worth $400 a day. I'm taking out $400 a day right now. I mean, I sell the exact same token amount. So some days it's lower, some days it's higher. 117K is a realistic top for Bitcoin this cycle on past data. Sure. Today you look like Craig from Friday, played by Ice Cube. I look like Ice Cube, everybody. I'll take it. Season for lots of higher highs and higher lows on alts. Yep. Everyone hit the like button. Yes. MicroStrategy passed 189. I don't follow MicroStrategy's price, but congratulations. Netflix documentary says Vitalik is Satoshi. What? Oh, come on. Vitalik is not Satoshi. Can I take your taking profits class? No, I don't have a class. I'm not an expert in taking profits. I watch my ticker go up and down and get stressed but never touch it. You got to sell. Selling is painful, especially when you're selling when we're moving up. It's very painful. All right, remember, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE between now and 2:30, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you could win $100 worth. So good gaming coin, Superverse, IMX, Echelon Prime, Miria, Beam. FTM prediction, I don't have one. It looks good. Why do you say sell Ondo? I missed it because of an ad. January 18th, its supply is going to more than double. So sell on or before January 18th. HBO Doc said Satoshi is Len Sasserman. Yeah, I saw lots of tweets about that. It's so we're never going to actually know who Satoshi is unless he's like alive right now, because Len Sasserman's dead and Hal Finney is dead. And so unless he's alive right now and he comes out with actual evidence saying he's Satoshi, we're never going to really know. I mean, what if if it's Len Sasserman, we're never going to actually know. So cool, they got some people intrigued and wanting to watch their documentary to see what they say. But let's see. My goal is if a coin goes up 100%, take 25% off the table. And for every 2 to 3x, take 25% off and leave 10%. That's fine. Yeah. Everyone speak about Black Swan before election. What's your opinion? Black swans by nature, they are unpredictable. All right. That is the nature of a black swan. So I know that's lame. Do you think Ondo's token unlock is currently priced in? Probably not. Can you buy HEEHEE on Coinbase Wallet? Yes, you can. You need Solana. What do you think of the news chart? I haven't looked at news in a while. Moonwell on base. You've been... I've already answered that. The chart doesn't look so great. If I'm remembering correctly. So maybe I'm wrong about that. I'll look at the chart. TARS AI... broke through its descending triangle. Looks really good. Oh, come on. All right, I'm for some reason it's saying fail to connect to server. I'm unable to look at to look at news right now. I don't have a near prediction. Sorry. Do you still believe the 4-year crypto market will continue to be? Do you see Bitcoin in 2025 falling 50% if USA goes into recession? Yes. I'm not a believer in 4-year halving cycle theory entirely. I think the halving has an effect. Okay, but best to invest 1K in now. Throw a dart at a dartboard, seriously. Anything that's shown any strength right now, they've already put in higher lows. Last week was the time to buy. This week's an okay time to buy. All right, Goldfinch. Goldfinch is just sideways. I mean, it'll break out eventually. So, all right, racked up on news. What other token unlocks are coming? Celestia. There's an easy way to do that. Just look up crypto and then unlocks. So I know you probably mentioned Turbo, but I jumped in late. Turbo. I'm not going to look at the chart. Turbo's a meme coin. It's very bullish. If there is a recession, why wouldn't the economy be doomed and never recover? Why wouldn't? Because we always have gotten out of recessions. And especially recently, the last few recessions, I mean, the United States has printed out pretty aggressively. So, and same for other countries around the world. I mean, look at what's going on in China right now. They're printing like crazy. So they will print. They will debase. And I think to an extent that they debased in 2020. I think they were drumming up retail interest in Bitcoin in order to stimulate the bull run. Who's they? Arrow and Jupe will outperform. Okay. People always assume narratives drive this market. Market makers go after liquidity, period. Yeah. How much will it affect the crypto market if Kamala wins? I don't think it's going to have a huge negative effect. I think if Trump wins, yeah, we'll see a pop. Short term. But if Kamala wins... They also said the government turned Helene for the courts. I don't know what you're saying, JN. Lithium. Guys, I'm live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. I can't keep up with all the TikTok comments. Ooh, lithium looks terrible. I'd say game over for lithium, but maybe not. I don't know. I wouldn't touch this. Arbitrum price prediction 2024. Don't take any 2024 predictions seriously, but okay. How about $1.85 for Arbitrum? NPC on Solana. For some reason, I can't look up meme coins on Deck Screener right now, so I'm gonna have to pass on that. All right, XCN. Nothing special going on with this. What do you think the Middle East situation will do to crypto prices? I'm not going to worry about it until, people in 2022, when Russia invaded Ukraine, they were terrified and talking of World War III. Same deal with Middle East now. I'll be scared when it's time to be scared. It can be, maybe we'll see some scary things happen tomorrow, or maybe we'll see some scary things happen in 2 years. I don't know. So highest conviction plays, Pendle, HEEHEE, a large majority of meme coins. Polkadot, maybe it'll get to $7 this year. I'm not a fan of Polkadot. Which month do you think the alt season will start? Maybe November. They equal movie makers on HBO. Oh, They strategically timed the release of the movie to sport interest. Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, lithium was in regards to quartz. Okay. Would you be upset with me if I dumped my entire bag of HEEHEE once I 10x my money? I would be upset with you if you did it all in one dump. If you did it the way you should do it, especially if you have a large bag, please DCA out. You know, that's a respectful thing to do if you're like a large holder of cryptocurrency. But you do what you need to do. Do you think Rio will 5x in 2024? It's possible. Best site to buy pre-sale coins? I don't know. Rio, USD, OKX. So $1.26. So 7, it's possible. Wait, not 7. What is that, like 650, a little over 650? That's possible. Do your family, friends normally reach out to you during euphoria? Not a lot of family members. No. Friends, a little bit. Not a ton. $7 is a 100% return for Polkadot. You don't... Your crypto doesn't have to 100% return. I mean, Polkadot looks terrible. The chart looks terrible. So... all-time high LCX? Yeah, I think so. All right, TikTok. I'm going to switch over to subscriber only on TikTok. If you want to stay in this live stream, you'll have 6 minutes on TikTok. You can join as a subscriber. I am live on YouTube, World War Bitcoin. You can head over there. And just one more reminder, if you buy 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE, you'll automatically be entered into a raffle to where you can win $100 worth. 0.2 Solana worth of HEEHEE. All right, switching over now. Markets have a short-term impact from wars, but then markets play as they should. Hold on for dear life. Yeah. Are there any other RWA crypto you like? Rio and Prop C. So, HBO, not Netflix. Okay. Uniswap's looking bullish. Any analysis on alt season? Yes. Soon. Very soon. 2024. Haha, yeah, Amir. Go HEEHEE. It looks good. You know, it got rejected right at a key level of resistance, but it'll probably break through this time, Uniswap. So, Jupe reducing its total supply by 30%. Okay. That sounds good. Good morning, Ollie. Oh my goodness, the news. Why do you want me to try the news chart? I can't do technical analysis on it. But sure, failed to connect to server. Let me just hit refresh on the page. Few RWO gems, CFG, Cello, and Prop C. All right. Really? What is going on with this? All right, I'm not looking at any meme coins. I'm done. It's not letting me. I don't know why. So, what's your take on OrdiSwap now? I don't know. I think BRC20s are gonna do something. Yikes. I mean, it doesn't look so hot. Maybe eventually we'll just see a lot of these cryptos do retraces. But I wouldn't touch it right now. All right, Paul. All these targets, when exactly can we see reach there? For example, ICP to $30. Maybe it's already October now. Altcoin season takes 7 weeks. So let's see Bitcoin, in my opinion, hit a new all-time high. And then we'll see from there. You know, maybe 7 weeks, maybe within 7 weeks. All right, PAL to $5. Oh yeah, AO's to $4. It's possible. PAL to 5? No, not PAL to 5. But PAL does look very bullish right now. Do you think it's possible for Cardano to hit its previous all-time high, $3 per coin? And do you think Cardano will peak in 2024 or 2025? 2024, no to not $3 a coin. Maybe after we see rates bottom out and the money printer turned on again. Maybe at that time. Wow, I'm caught up. I'm so caught up. Got me feeling it. CFG. Centrifuge. Alephium is just chopping. I already looked at Alephium. And same for Centrifuge. I mean, eventually these will break higher. But, you know, it looks like there's resistance at the 100-day simple moving average. So once there's some strength in this chart for sure, but not right now. Talking Polygon, Polymath. I don't. So you're gonna have to clarify that. LCX. Besides saying all-time high, I mean, all right, I'll throw some number out, $1. How about that? Boge is at 200 million market cap. Really? No, at 200,000. If it's at 200,000, yeah, sure, throw some money at that. I'm assuming it's not at 200 million. All right, Polygon. 2024 price, I would also say like somewhere around $1. New all-time high in 2024. No. All right. PHA, I think that's Phala. It's in an uptrend. There's that. Well, shoot. I wouldn't count that as a higher high. I would just say, you know, it is putting in higher lows. So this next move is going to be a move to the higher high. And just like a lot of other altcoins, probably some resistance at the 200-day simple moving average. Is Prop C the one with 28 million market cap? Prop C has 28 million. Yeah, that's about right. Boge is a total disappointment since they migrated to new contract. That's just how it happens. I knew anytime you see somebody launch a V2 of a cryptocurrency, I've never seen that work. I mean, maybe there's ones that have been successful, but you know, they got hacked pretty hard. So it didn't surprise me. All right, Floki. CGPT's starting to wake up. Okay. Yeah, Floki's in an uptrend. Looks good. Rejected already at the 200-day. Next time it'll break through. Ronin. I would hold on to it. It's fine. $36 Alephium too aggressive. That seems aggressive, yeah. CGPT. Looks fine. Sure. Tony, Beam looks fantastic. I don't know what you're what you're bummed about. It's not lower than it was last week. Last week it bottomed out. I mean, it's lower than it was earlier last week. It put in a higher low. You know, it went straight up, put in a higher low, and now it's going to put in a higher high. Probably break through that 200-day simple moving average. Normie also hacked same time as Boj, but doing much better. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I mean, $66 prediction for Atom. Whatever the case, Atom, that's not happening. Atom put in a lower low than its bear market bottom. So did I say $66 for Atom? I hope I didn't. Oh, man. All right. Forget about that. Not happening. I mean, most of my price targets are not happening in 2024 or 2025. Where I think which beam will top at, how about 10 cents? OB coin has been running. Do you think HEEHEE will make a new all-time high? I legally can't tell you that, what I think. If you wanna guess, I mean, even if you guess, I'm not gonna confirm or deny. But if you guess, your first guess is probably the correct guess. All right, OB, I've never heard of this coin, OB coin, but it looks good. You know, right now it looks good at least. Gaming coin starting to get the volume. Any thoughts on Shrap? Shrap. Gaming coins are starting to get some volume. So I would say they're good ones to be buying right now. Now, I mean, for Shrap, chart looks fine. I have no idea how big of a market cap this is. It's probably on its way to a higher high. Same deal, 200-day simple moving average. Alex with hat, yeah. So, you know, a few days, give it a few days. It's probably going to get rejected at the 200-day here, whatever that gets down to. Alex, how about Ribbit? Sorry, I can't look at, for some reason, TradingView's messing with me right now. I can't look at it, but I like Ribbit. I think it's going to do very well. Would lose $500. I could sell and have 200 invest in Arrow. Good idea. Yes. Yes. Are you having the Friday streams only on TikTok? This past Friday was an exception. So I will be live on YouTube on Friday, next Friday. What resources did you learn to use to read charts? Emperor BTC on X is my biggest resource. He makes a lot of PDFs and stuff. So Vanry. All right, I got another like 3 minutes left. I'm pretty hungry right now. No. Sideways chop. It's not going much lower than where it is right now. It's just probably not going much higher either. I think you're 50% right on Atom, more like $36 by 2030. Oh, by 2030, sure. How high can Devin meme coin go? All-time high is 20 million. I have no idea where Devin is right now. Yeah, the Crypto Elite course is great. Yeah, for sure. And I can't look it up, unfortunately. Will comp break $100 this year? Yeah, it's at 44. It'll break 100. Crash said S&P 500 topped out locally and it could drag crypto down, but if the drop is not severe, we would be okay. It's possible. Let me look at the S&P. Well, I'll look at SPY. Same deal. No, I won't. I'll look at S&P. So where we are pretty much right now is a local top. I think I disagree. Why is he saying that? Bearish divergence on the MACD, but not on RSI. I don't really see a reason to think that. I don't know. I disagree that that's what's going to happen. Devon's at 2.2 million. Yeah, 20 million. I think a lot of cryptos under 10 million will 10x, maybe even 20x. Any idea where AMP will end up? Oh man. Listen, I looked into AMP. It looks dead to me, but it will do a dead cat bounce. If if that dead cat bounce didn't happen already. So maybe it'll get back to its 2024 high. That's a 5x from here, 4x, a little over 4x. I wouldn't be holding it much beyond that. Price prediction for Eagle AI, I think 9 figures. Yes, alt will run higher if Bitcoin goes to 100K instead of 80K. All right, what happened with Loop Ring? I don't know. I mean, yeah, it hasn't been performing all that great. Unique Birds can't answer that. Can't answer HEEHEE questions. But if you hear me talking about other altcoins where I say a lot of altcoins under $10 million market cap will 20x, maybe you could put the pieces together. All right, guys, I've been trying to end this live stream for a while. I'm going to look at Loop Ring, and then I'm just going to be done. I'm sorry for anyone else asking questions. It's sideways. It's bottomed out. It's probably going to make a move up eventually and get rejected at the 200-day before going higher. So, all right, I'm done. Thank you all. Have a good one.